Aurvedic cleansing. Facial cleansing grains are part of a centuries-old beauty regimen popular in India, Japan, and other Asian cultures. This powdered facial cleanser combines natural ingredients to gently exfoliate and remove excess oil and dirt without stripping your skin's natural beneficial moisture. Just add water and your skin is left clean, smooth, radiant, and glowing. Yields: 1 quart. Half cup almond meal, half cup rose petal powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons orange peel powder, half cup chickpea flour, half cup kale and clay, half cup brown rice flour, half teaspoon cinnamon. What you will need: quart size canning jar with lid, spice jar with sifter cap, optional. 1. To make, before you begin, find a protective face mask, or tie a bandana to cover your nose and mouth, to avoid breathing the powders. Carefully place all of the powdered ingredients into the canning jar. You may want to consider sifting the brown rice flour, as there are usually some larger rice grains remaining, which can be a little rough on the skin. Close the lid tightly and shake well to blend to a uniform powder. Let stand for 5 minutes or so, letting the dust settle into the jar. 2. To store this dry facial scrub in a spice jar with a sifter cap. To fill the jar, make a funnel by rolling up a piece of paper. Twist one end to open wide enough to fit into the spice jar, and the other wider to funnel in the powder. Tape it together and spoon the powder into the jar a little at a time. Once the jar is full, replace the sifter and cap, and this scrub is ready to use. You can also store these in the quart jar or transfer to a smaller jar, using a clean dry spoon to dispense the cleansing grains for each use. Keep the lid tightly closed and store for up to a year. 3. To use, simply tap out a bit of the powder into the palm of your hand and mix with water added a tiny bit at a time until a paste forms. Then softly cleanse your face using small circular motions. Rinse with warm water and follow with toner and moisturizer.